Lesson 11. Samasya ka hal. Solution of problems. So now come to the book exercise. First we read the word meanings. Pakke mitra, best friends, udas, sad or upset. Hansi majak, anand, fun. Kush, happy. Hal, solution. Swab, nature. Chup chup, quietly. Amdani, income. Samasya, problems. Pariksha, exam. Pariksha, exams. Segera hill utama. Segera hill utama. खुश होना. Idioms segera hill utama. Be happy. Ramsamy and Sridharan कौन थे? Who was the Ramsamy and Sridharans? Ramsamy and Sridharans were friends. Bhai, brother, sister, relations, mama, banja, uncle and nephew. किसने रामस्वामी और श्रीधरन को अपने घर बुलाया? Who called Sridharan and Ramsamy to their home?